Express each function in words. F of x equals 4x minus 3, and g of x equals 4 times x minus 3. Let's start with the function f. For f, what we do is we take x, our input, and what's happening to x? Well, first, x is being multiplied by 4, and then afterwards we need to subtract 3. So take x, multiply by 4, then subtract 3. That's what that function is doing to x. It's multiplying it by 4 and then subtracting 3. Let's look at g as a function. G also starts by taking x. But here, if we look at what's happening to x, first, 3 is being subtracted from x, and then the result is being multiplied by 4. So here we take x, subtract 3, then multiply by 4. I'll be honest with you, it's not always super useful to us to express a function in words. Usually having it as an equation or a graph or even a table of values is more useful in the end. But the reason why we're doing these exercises is twofold. First, it's good for us to take these functions that look very similar and for us to differentiate them in words, because we're more used to dealing with words than we are dealing with functions and variables and expressions and all of that. So by putting this into words, we're putting it into a language that we're more comfortable with, and it's helping us to differentiate these from each other. The other reason is that oftentimes in math classes, we need to deal with word problems, where we're converting between words and expressions and equations, and so getting more practice going back and forth will make us more comfortable and confident when we're solving word problems in the future.